Austin Fowler, and the 109 of David Licknell. As we enter into turn 3, coming out of turn 4 for the green, it looks good, and we are underway. The 11 of Josh Lundy with the early lead off of turn 2. We are underway for 8 laps. The 42 of Adam Cartwright looking to clear the 24 to challenge the 11 of Josh Lundy. Austin Fowler challenging the 109 of Licknell. As Lundy brings them off at turn 2, Cartwright looks to the bottom, into 3 and 4. Lundy able to hold off the 42 of Cartwright. Cartwright challenging off of 2. Good run off of 2, going into 3. John Featherston to the inside of David Licknell for 3rd. Featherston with the slight advantage. Austin Fowler right there on the tail. As Josh Lundy and Adam Cartwright are still battling for the lead, Cartwright to the bottom. Cartwright pulls up door to door off of 2. Cartwright tucks it back in line as John Featherston in the 47 is making ground. Back to the bottom is Cartwright. The white flag flies with 1 lap to go as Josh Lundy brings them around. Cartwright to the bottom off of 2 one last time. It is going to be the 11 of Josh Lundy with the win. Cartwright in 2nd, John Featherston 3rd, David Licknell in 4th, Austin Fowler rounding out the top 5.
Terrence Robinson, don't go anywhere just yet. How's your car doing? Let's talk about your car. I know last Saturday you had it here. Something was wrong with it. I saw it and you just weren't able to get it back out. How's the car doing?
Yeah, we had a few melted wires underneath the dash that we couldn't find in the pit area. We got that all figured out and squared away. We're about 1 night away from having it ready, so we should see you next Saturday night.
Outstanding. That's going to be the Hugh Deary Classic 99. They're still working on the details for it, but I got to hand the mic back to you because you need to make some noise for our Rockford Speedway fans.